to my channel. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Your Vyroko channel. Hello, thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you for clicking this video. It is well. You're welcome. So today I'm preparing another thing in the kitchen. Grab your popcorn, sit comfortably and watch me cook. Thank you so much. So today I'm going to be preparing beef fried rice anyway, but not actually beef, because this is the internal. They are the internal structures that we have inside the cow meat. Yes. Here I have previously prepared this, seasoned them, and I just need to cut them into bits. So here I have kidney, I have gizzard, I have the tongue. Yes, that's what I'm going to be using. Guys, you can use whatever you want. So I'm going to be cutting it. I'll cut it into bits like so. Let me just show you guys. I'll cut it into tiny bits. Since we're using it for fried rice, guys. So this is what I'm going to do, like this. I'm going to cut it up, guys. Okay. So you'll be needing beef for this recipe. You'll be needing all these ingredients here. Of course, you have your rice. I have the onions here. Red onions, guys. Spring onions, bell pepper, red and green. Carrots. Spicy chili peppers, guys. Use your ingredients according to what you are preparing. Here I have my 4 cups of rice that I have washed. Okay, so that is why I have plenty of ingredients. And here I'm going to be using hot curry. Any curry that you have is okay. Here I have the chicken oil. This chicken oil is the one that comes out from the chicken when I put in the oven, so I store it. This is what I'm going to be using to prepare the fried rice. You can use any oil of your choice, guys. Here I have my chicken stock. You can use any seasoning. Here I have black pepper. I have curry leaves. My salt. I have my salt here. Okay, guys. And then I'm going to be using the broth that came out from the meat that I boiled. So I'm going to put in some broth. You're going to put some broth in the pot, mix with the rice, and then we're going to be adding about 2 teaspoons of curry powder. I repeat, you put curry according to what you are preparing, because me, I'm putting 2 teaspoons since I have 4 cups of rice, guys. So let's get cooking. And if today is the first time you're coming on this channel, if you love what I do on this channel, join the family. Just help support me by clicking that subscribe button. Click the notification bell. That's when you see whenever I upload my videos. On this channel, I actually prepare my homemade meals because I believe we are what we take inside. And I prepare once in a while the Italian cuisine. I also prepare homemade remedy. Yes, because I don't use medicines in the pharmacy. Okay, that's a long story for another day. But I prepare homemade remedies. Check my playlist, you will find some. Guys, if you've been coming to watch my channel, my oldies, I thank you so much. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Okay, let's get cooking. So guys, I have put some broth here. If you don't have broth, it's not a problem. You can always use your seasoning, the same thing. But I'm going to put the broth of the meat and chicken that I have in the house. So that is normally how I prepare. So this is my rice. I have washed it, guys. Yes, I've washed the rice. So I put everything here. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys the teaspoon of the curry powder. 1. I'm putting 2. Not too much because I have 4 cups of rice, as I said. I mentioned earlier. Okay. So this I'll stir together. Put some salt, guys. Put salt according to what you are preparing. So I put salt. Don't want to exaggerate with salt. So when you finish putting curry and you put curry, you put salt, you stir. And what you do is make sure you have your hot water. You don't pour cold water on it. That's my advice. I'm going to put my hot water on this rice. Don't put too much water so that your rice does not come out soggy. So you stir once, wait for it to boil. So while it's boiling, if you have anything to do, like me, I'm going to be cutting this meat according. I have cut this much, so I'm going to cut this while I'm waiting for my rice. I'll finish cutting this meat first, and then I'll put this chicken oil inside the pan to stir fry these veggies. Please leave me a comment if you don't understand anything on this video. Like always, I will leave the list of the ingredients in the description box, guys. It's still tough and I kind of need some salt, but I don't want to put salt. So what you do is you add some seasoning, crumble it, put seasoning, and then what you do is you add hot water. Yes, add hot water. Be careful, the hot water is not too much. Have to follow it up. Okay. Please don't stir it. I'm going to cover it up. What I can just do is just to, I'll tap top of the rice like this. Because I can't stir, if not it will burn. So I'm going to cover it. I'll wait for it to continue to boil. So meanwhile, I have finished cutting my meat. So I have gizzard, the tongue, and kidney. This is what I used, guys. You can use any meat of your choice. Yes, okay. So I've cut it in this pan, stainless pan. You need it. I'm going to start to fry the ingredients, but I'm waiting for the rice so that I can sieve it. We'll start to fry this bit by bit. We'll put the oil of the chicken oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I have my chicken oil, I have meat oil. When I grill my meat, the oil that comes out of it is what I use in cooking. It's very good. I'm going to wait for the rice, guys. I had to sieve the rice. This is the rice, it is ready. We're going to start to fry it here in the pan. Okay. So we'll put some oil, not too much because we'll fry it not all at the same time. So I'll start by putting the onions and the spring onions and some red peppers, carrot, a bit of everything, guys, and some chili peppers. Okay, so this will go first. Make sure you fry them properly. Okay, and right away the meat, the bits of whatever meat you are using. In my own case, I have my gizzard, my pieces of tongue, and kidney. So we'll put a bit. We'll add some seasoning, any seasoning of your choice. Okay. We'll add some black pepper. Okay. Curry leaves. Okay. So I'm going to fry bit by bit. I'm not going to fry it all together. Okay. When you observe that the ingredients are properly fried together, you now start to add the rice as time goes on. So I'm going to wait. Guys, I'm going to be adding some curry powder. Okay. Now we can start putting the rice. It doesn't take time, just stir fry for like 3 to 5 minutes, guys. Now I'll start putting the rice. Okay. So guys, I waited like 5 minutes. Now I'm going to pour it into the pan, the big pan, where I will be mixing everything together later. So first batch, go all over again, put my oil in the pan, and then I add my ingredients. Second batch, seasoning, black pepper, curry leaves. And as well add your curry powder now. Pieces of meat. So we're going to continue to stir fry it for the ingredients to get done. Then we start adding the rice. Continue stir frying. Guys, I'm going to be pouring it together now in the pot. Mine is much because it's 4 cups of rice. You guys might not need to prepare this much, I don't know, but this is actually what I'm preparing because I have a lot of people that are going to eat this. I hope you guys give this a try. All you have to do is prepare your ingredients. Make sure you have your meat done a day before and you are good to go, guys. If you need salt, you need anything, you can always put, guys. I'm careful, I don't put too much salt while cooking because salt is not for the heart. Guys, I'm going to give this a try. It's amazing. I just need a little bit of salt, guys. Just a little. You see me? I'm careful. I don't use salt anyhow. When we are cooking, let us always taste our food. It's important. You don't just cook. You just cook for cooking. No. As you cook, you taste your meal. As you cook, you taste. Very important, guys. If you watch this far, thank you so much. Thank you so much. If you've not subscribed and you are still watching, and you love what I do, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. That way, you know when I'm